Hi, I'm Amanda, and I'm the lead designer and owner at Amanda Shields Interiors. And today we're going to be talking about the best flooring to choose for your kitchen. So choosing your kitchen flooring is a big decision, especially I know as a mom of two. You want to consider everything and you want to make the right choice. I'd say the 3 or 4 top things that I consider when choosing my flooring for a kitchen is durability, cost, comfort, and style. Traditionally in kitchens, people used to always go to tile, and it's still a good option. It's durable, it can be affordable depending on what tile you choose. It's scratch resistant. I just think it's lacking a little bit in the comfort area. It can be a little bit cold, but you can always do under heating to resolve that problem. But nowadays, more people are moving in towards engineered hardwood for their flooring, especially with open concept layouts. Having that continuous run from the living room to the kitchen is really desirable. The technology today with engineered hardwoods makes it scratch resistant, stain resistant as well. And a really good durable product for busy families. In the more recent years, luxury vinyl flooring is becoming more popular as an affordable option to replace hardwood or tile. It's durable, scratch resistant, it can be waterproof, and it's a really good option for families as well with busy households. So if you're wondering what the best flooring is for your kitchen, it's a personal choice. If you narrow it down to these 3 options though that I'm recommending, I think you're off to a good start.